is about holding them up as the matriarch and the patriarch. Because from that $2 million, the children would get the down payments for their homes. The grandchildren would get their college education paid for. They would all have startup capital for their own businesses. So when you look at those $2, $3, $4 million brownstones in Brooklyn, and we say, well, how do people get 20% down? They're getting it in this kind of way. We're still thinking about what we're going to work and save 20% down on a $2 million brownstone. How's that working for you? I'm saying, do you understand the ways other folks are doing this, coming together to leverage these kind of tools? So what I call it is them pooling resources to fund their own inheritance. So I'm loving this concept. Me and my sister, we went to our parents and we said, you know what, we want to do the same thing with y'all. So you can imagine that didn't go over so well in the Black family, right? So all of a sudden they stopped returning the phone calls. They started putting the extra locks on the doors. No, I'm kidding. But it did take a long time for them to be open to hearing where I was going. Me and my sister are doing okay for ourselves in life, right? What we said we like to do is set up your grandchildren and your great-grandchildren in a way that they will remember you, right? This will be your legacy. So we said, they say, well, we like that, and like the Jewish family, you all pay for it then, right? So what we did, we took out a $500,000 policy. And it's a second to die policy, meaning they both have to pass before we get the money. That way it makes it more cost efficient. It's cheaper to doing it that way. So both of them have to pass before we get $2.5 million, but it costs us $300 a month. Me and my sister split it, that's $150 each. What else in America can you spend $150 to get a guaranteed $500,000 at some point in the future? $500,000 tax-free, because life insurance passes tax-free. Do you understand the value of and the possibilities when you think of using these tools this way?